Today we're going to draw a penguin, and our penguin is going to wear a scarf and a hat. The first step to drawing our penguin is to draw the body. The body is going to look like this oval shape, but the bottom is going to be wider than the top. You'll see what I mean. The penguin also kind of looks like a bowling pin shape without a long neck. I'm slanting the top of my body just a teeny bit because I know I'm going to put a hat up there. But you guys can always erase. I'm just sharpening so you guys can see. The next step is to draw the arms. The arms are going to look like two triangle shapes that come off the side of the body. So go ahead and add two triangles. 1, 2. There's our little penguin's flippers. The next step is to add 2 feet. And we're going to add 2 triangles at the bottom. Much smaller than the 2 triangles we did for the 2 arms. Our feet aren't done. We're going to add the orange part of the feet. So like little flippers. Web feet. And it's going to kind of look like this shape that looks like 3 triangles put together. It almost looks like a leaf. Okay, now we have our body, our arms, and feet. The next step is to add some details in our penguin. I'm going to add an oval in the belly. Here we go. And then I'm going to add a heart-like shape for detail in the face. Okay. Inside my face, I'm going to add 2 eyes and 1 beak. The eyes are going to be a circle. 1, 2. And maybe you want to color those eyes in. The beak is going to be in the middle of this little face heart shape we made. And it's going to be an upside down triangle. Our next step is to add the little scarf and hat. How I'm going to add the scarf is by drawing a curved rectangle that goes in between the face and the belly. So draw 2 lines going across the body. I want to make my scarf look like it's flowing in the wind, so I'm going to add the 2 other parts to it, hanging off the side of the body. Like how we did for the middle part. It's going to be like these little rectangle shapes that are curved outward. You can decide to add whatever kind of details you want, but I'm going to make my little scarf striped. The last step to my penguin is I'm going to add a hat on top of his head, or her head. You're going to add a triangle on top of the head. Oh, not a triangle, a rectangle on top of the head. And mine's going to be a little bit slanted, going that way. Next step is to draw the top of the hat. And I'm going to draw 2 lines going upward, and they're kind of like closing in together. Then I'm going to make a line that connects it. Next, that line is going to extend past one of the lines we made, so that little line, and then go back in to make a triangle. It's gonna look like my hat is flopping over. Just like I did with my scarf, I'm going to add stripes in my hat. One last detail I want to add is a little pom-pom on the end of my hat, like that, a small circle. And now my penguin is done.